So, uh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see how we can insert a user node on the node that the user wants to insert in the linked list after a given node, and after that we will see how to insert it after a given position, right? So let us first understand the concept of this first logic. Let's say this is the initial linked list and this is the user node, right? We need to insert this in after the first node. So what are the exact functionalities that we will implement? By the rules, always by the rules. Go back to the rule book of linked list. We're gonna see how basically the rules are given. So how we can do that. So first rule tells us that every node's next pointer points to the data of the next node, right? So this is pointing towards this one, the second node is pointing towards the third one. So if I want to insert this particular node in this position, then I have to make this node's next pointer linking to the data of this node. I have to point this next pointer to this one. I have to point this pointer to this one, and this next pointer to this one, right? Right? Two steps. We need two steps. What are the steps? Let us see again what are the steps. Let me just clear this out for you guys. Okay, so two steps, right? What are the steps? Previous node dot next is equals to new node dot next, right? Am I doing the right thing? Sorry, little mistake on this one. Yeah, basically I need to do this one. Okay, so the first one will be new node dot next equals to the previous node dot next. This is how we are basically connecting the previous nodes next to the new node one. And the second point will be previous node next. This will point to the new node data. But new node means it is pointing towards the new node. Okay, I mean I'm just saying you in the visualization, right? That the next pointer points to data. Basically it's just point to the old node, the next pointer, right? So the previous node's next pointer is pointing towards the new node, and the new node's next pointer, I'm linking it with the previous node's next pointer. These are the two steps we need to do, right? No problem. So can we code this up? Okay, let's go and code this up now. I can basically create a, let's say, node, and I can go with same as usual, guys. Same as usual. First, let me create a global variable, and this one, and the data pointer. Then I can go and create a constructor. Inside the constructor, there will be a parameter. I set this data with b, and I initialize the next now. Right? Easy. Now basically what I do is I just give a just a basic insertion at the beginning one, just to keep things simple. So same as usual, I create a new object with the data that I provide. Next will be new node dot next. I hope guys you are practicing the codes of the previous videos that I've shown you, like insertion at the beginning and insertion at the end. A little disclaimer guys, if you see the videos without your headphones, it will be a little problem for you because the sound quality is not so good. I'm working on it. I'll be providing with better sound quality, working on the videos. Just need a little bit of time, so just to get the clear audio, you just plug in your headphones and see the video. That will be better for you. Okay, so next up, this one. Next, what I can do is create another function, that is insert at given. Okay, so let me just given, and now we need to mention the previous node, right? So we can call this as prev, and I can give a data. So now, just to check if that previous node is not null, that means the linked list is empty or not. If the linked list is empty, you will just come out of the function or return the function as void null. Okay, so just to check it, just a disclaimer check, nothing else. So if priv not equals to or equal to null, you can say, right, and then I can give return statement. Easy. If not, then I'll create a new node with the data, and then I'm gonna set new node dot next equals to prev dot next, and prev dot next equals to new node. Simple as that. Yes. Now, moment of truth, guys. Let's basically do this. Let's see, did we actually make it or not. Okay, so create an object. I call the push function first with 10, then I call it with 20. Yes. Now I can call it with something. Let's say I want to insert that after the 10. So as because the 10 is the head, I mean the starting node, so basically what we can do is we can basically call it with node, or basically sorry, h dot head. Yeah, and with that I can give 30. So this will be like 10, 30 and 20, right? So let's see. Okay, I just forgot to basically print the list. Create another function called print. Yeah, and create a pointer called traverse equals to new, sorry, head, while t not equals to null, and I can basically sys out. Yes, and the rest is the traverse portion. Simple. H.print. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, we got an error. Let's see what is the error is. Cannot find symbol. Okay, okay. What is the insert? Okay, my bad. Let's go and do this. That's it, guys. You see, we first basically, okay, I was wrong. That should not be 10, 30 and 20, because we are putting the node every time we are putting the new node at the first. So first it will be 10, then it will be 20. 20 will come up at the front, so it will be like 20, 30 and 10. So this is the value, right? So we have successfully seen how we can basically insert a given node at a given after a given node. Yeah, insert the given node after a previous node. Okay, the previous node will be inserted by the user. Okay, so we have seen this. So pretty simple. Just follow the rules, don't violate the rules of the linked list, and Simple as that. If you have clearly understand my previous video of insertion at the beginning and the end, but this is just a cup of tea for yourself. So it's good, right? We are good, easy. So this is it for today, guys. I'm gonna see you on the next video with the next portion of this video. This is not the uh, exact exact video. Basically there are other parts that I need to complete, but I decided to basically structure it up by breaking it into two parts. So the part 2 version will come very soon, where I'm going to show you how you can basically insert the given node at a given position. There no given node, no node will be mentioned, right? Like you insert after 10 or insert after 20, no node will be given like that. You have to basically identify the position that will be given by the user, like insert at 2, insert at 1 index, and then you have to insert that node on that particular position. Okay, so that is quite a little bit tough. That is an intermediate problem, because I did this first, because if you don't understand this one, you won't be understanding that. We will have to just do some extra operations over there. So till then, it's a homework. Like think in your home like how we can do it. Think of the approach and how you can go with it. Like what are the different operations you can do with this code. Trust me, guys, that code is just simple, same as this one. We just need to do some of the operations extra. So think of that extra operations. What you're gonna do, that's up to you. I'll be coming back with a new video very soon. Till then, try to figure it out. Okay, don't just Google things. Try to figure it out in your own how you can do this, and it will be an interesting aspect for you. And one day I'm sure that you will be get you will get obsessed with data structures to solve and all. Okay, so till then, goodbye. I hope basically will have a great day. Okay, so bye bye.